Consider the curve defined by the rule y is x cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus 15 shown below. Show that the equation of the tangent at x equals negative 2 is y is negative 9x plus 27. So, if x is equal to negative 2, then y is going to be, let's just clear everything, make space. So our function is x cubed, so that's going to be negative 2 cubed plus x squared, so negative 2 squared, take away 17 multiplied by negative 2, add 15, so that gives us 45. We also want the gradient, so dy dx is going to be 3x squared plus 2x take away 17, and we want dy dx when x is negative 2. So that's going to be 3 times 4, 12, take away 4, take away 17. So that's 8 take away 17, which is negative 9. So now we have y equals mx plus c, because we know a tangent is a straight line, and we know that 45 is the y value, negative 2 is the x value plus c, so 45 is equal to 18 plus c, giving us that c is 27, so y is equal to negative 9x plus 27 as required. Determine the area enclosed between the curve and the tangent at x equals negative 2, which we know was negative 9x plus 27. So we might want to know where this crosses the x-axis, and that happens when y is 0. So that would give us 9x equals 27, and that means that x equals 3. So it's actually going to cross just here when the curve does. And of course it's the tangent at this point here. So our tangent comes down like this, and the area trapped between the tangent and the curve is going to be this area here. So how are we going to get at that? Well, the triangle here is going to be part of it, and then if we subtract this red bit here, and then we're going to need to add on this part under here. So what we're going to have is the triangle, which we can see has a base of 5, and remember the height here was 45, so that's going to be a half times 5 times 45. Take away the integral, so we want this bit here under the curve, so that's going from negative 2 to 1 of x cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus 15. And then we want to add on this bit, and when we do this area it's going to end up being negative. So if we take that away, so that's going to be from 1 to 3. Now we wanted to add this area on. I'm taking it away because it's below the axis, so it's going to be negative. So x cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus 15. And that's quite a lot of work to do for 4 marks if we do it manually, so let's do it on the calculator instead. So it's going to be 5 times 45 divided by 2, and then I'm going to take away the integral. We want a definite integral, and we know that we're going with this one from -2 through to 1, and we know that we have x cubed plus x squared, take away 17x, add 15, and just notice that I lost a 1 there for that 15. So that's that bit, and then what we want to do is take away from that the integral, again definite integral, and we're going from 1 to 3, same expression, so that's going to be x cubed plus x squared minus 17x, add 15, and that's going to give me 52.083 square units.